Hello and welcome. This is the Goal P. This is a gin spooled lock with counter milling. And so what happens is the opening is smaller than at the top than the outsides, and because it's a gin spool, when the pin comes up, it'll hang on that edge. It won't come up and over, so you'll have to kind of float it to get it to come up and set. So this is a very difficult lock. This is actually a brown belt level lock. I am currently a purple belt. So this is one of the locks that I'll be using, hopefully, to try and earn my brown belt. I'm going to be using a 50 thousandths tensioner. This is a Covert Instruments Reaper set tensioner. But I find it fits very well up in the keyway here. I had a lot of problems finding a pick that would fit this very well. I tried picking off the side of the warding here with different picks. Here, and let me zoom in so you can kind of see that. I tried picking off the warding off the side right here. So right there, I tried picking off of that edge at an angle this way. It made it super difficult. There is almost a zero lift on pin 3 on this one. So being able to get the pick under there and pick 4, which is a super high lift, was very, very difficult. I was able to find this Moki pick that's actually designed for dimple picking advanced dimple locks to be able to get into the side pins and get up there. That with this at an angle, you can kind of see that angle there, I am able to fit and push off of the bottom of the keyway here. And so that's kind of what I'm planning on doing, is kind of working off the bottom of the keyway with this tensioner here and seeing what we can do. I did have a open earlier today, so I'm hoping I can get an open on this as well on camera for you guys, and then I'll gut this thing, and I haven't gutted it yet. Hopefully we can have a little fun gutting this lock and see what we can get. So there's 2 clicks on 1, there's a click on 2. I'm going to try and go directly to the back and find there's 2 clicks on 6. Trying to move forward, see if I can find 5 here. There's a click on 5, a single click. I think that was 5. It's hard kind of finding the spacing here. Hold on, I'm going to try to get you guys a little bit better angle. That might be better too. We'll see what's going on. All right, trying to see what I can feel in here. So there's, trying to make sure I'm not hitting 3. There's 2 again. I think that's 3. I got to figure out where 4 is and where 3 is. I think that's 5. That's 5 or 6 there. I'm trying to see where is 6. There's the end of the lock coming back. I'm just trying to figure that out. And there's a little wiggle room right there. Is that? There's the end. I think. Let's see what I can find. That's got to be 4 or 5 there. There's 6. There's a good click on 6. I think that was 6. And I'm using light tension on this, just trying to feel. So there's a good 6. There's like 2 clicks on 5. I think that was 5. That's 3. I think that's 1 or 2. That's 1. That's 2. Checking 3. 3 feels like it's fine. 4 feels good and set. Got a little bit on 6. I think I'm missing 4 here somewhere. Yeah, I think that's 4 there that I'm hitting right now. I'm going to try to do a little out and dropping everything. Nope, that's not 4. That would be why. All right, let's try that again. So, I can usually, oops, if I can get in on that. Usually get, there's 1. Good 2 clicks on 1. I think that was 2 clicks on 2. I think that's 3. Click on 4. Can I get a second click on 4? And we're going to move on to 5. There's 2 clicks on 5. And I got to find 6. That's 5. I think that's where 6. There's 6. And there's 5. Going back to 6. See if I can find 6 again. I think 6 is set. I think 5 is set. There's 4. I think 4 is set. 3 feels set. I think 2 is set. There's 1 is definitely set. Oh, and we have the open. So there's our open. And we can show that going all the way around. Oops. Now I'm stuck upside down, huh? That's right, we have the key right here. Put the key in there. Oh no. Maybe I won't be able to. Hopefully I don't have to pick that upside down. That's weird. I've never had that happen before. Well, I've never opened it and put it in that direction. Is it as simple as pushing these back up? I wonder. To get it turned? Yeah, that's it. There we go. All right, and we're back in a lock position. So let me zoom out on this and we'll start taking this lock apart. I'll make sure I keep this in camera. And we're gonna put it right here for right now. And I'm gonna bring this over here. Kind of get you guys a better angle of that. And we're going to open this sucker up. So let's go ahead and start by taking these screws out here. Oh geez. I don't know if I can take those screws out. Those are definitely not wanting to come out. Well, I know there's a way of gutting it from here, but I need to show you the core. So I'm not sure. This is from Wyatt. It feels like it's Loctited down there. Let me see if I can get a different screwdriver bit. See what we can get. All right, let's try maybe a bigger bit here. See if that'll help. Oh my. Those do not want to come out. How am I supposed to prove this? I can't take that tail off. How am I supposed to prove the countermilling and the gin spools in this sucker? bang that up right there. Well, I guess let's take this cap off. I don't know what else to do. Or do I pause the video and, you know, come back and repick it and regut it later on? I'm going to turn this sideways and see if I can pull these up right here. These little latches. And see if I can slide this off. It looks like it should slide. If I had these up enough. There we go. I'll take the spring out of that one. I'll put it right there. I'll go ahead and slide this off slowly. Try not to let those springs go flying. Spring there. And a spring there. Spring there. Spring there. And the spring there. I'll go ahead and take that piece off. We'll put it over here. All right. Now let's get the there's one gin spool. There's two gin spools. Three gin spools. Ooh, that's a weird one. It's a little tiny one right there. And two more. That one and that one. So you can see all those gins right there. Now I'll put the key back in, and we'll take the key pins out. Hold on. Take the key pins out. That's an interesting key pin. There's three. Oh, these are all mushroomed and stuff. I did not know that. closer look at these in a little bit. We'll do the last one first. And number 2. All right. I don't know if I'm going to have anything to be able to get down in there to show the counter milling on this yet. We'll see what I can do. Try to open this thing up more. All right, let's get a closer look at these. Man. All right. So you can see, where is it? These are the T-pins here, or the gin pins, I should say. They have this lip right here. If it won't really focus, will it? Has that lip right there, you can see, real tiny. That's just gonna grab onto and hook on the edge of the counter milling. Just gonna grab right there, you can see on my fingernail. So we have all of them are gin pins, even this little short one here. You can see has that lip right here on the edge, right there to grab on. All right, and then let's take a look at some of the key pins here. You can see this key pin here actually has some milling on it. And it went over here. I'm gonna put that in my hand. You can kind of see the milling on it there. This is the key pin, so that would be facing down towards the keyway there, and the lips that it has on it right here to be able to catch into that counter milling as well. I'm still not able to get this off, and I might have to destroy the lock to do it. I'm hoping I don't have to, but let's see if I can. I want to kind of show that counter milling in here for you guys. Let's not break that bit. Oh, jeez. Why are these on here so tight? Oh, God. I can't get them off. Here, why don't we do this? I don't have a real thin hook. Maybe I can use this to kind of reach in there, and I can't reach in there and show you either. I really want to show the counter milling on here. Prove that this is a brown lock. This is from Wyatt, so this was shipped from Wyatt. You can see there's the number 7 on it still. Here's the key. Look at the key. This is a gold P. Trying to do my due diligence for you guys here to prove that this is a brown level lock. But I'm not sure how to do that, how to take this off. I can't get those screws out. I wonder if I can like just jam it straight down and turn. I don't know. No, because it's turning the whole thing. I guess maybe I'm gonna have to put it together and contact somebody, so we'll see. Anyway, this is a brown level lock. There are gin pins. You can see the spools here and all that funness. I hope this helped you guys in picking gins. If you have any questions, please reach out to me on Reddit or on my YouTube. And good luck in your adventures and working through the LPU belt loop system in yourself. Thank you. Bye.